So it says if 16x plus or 16 plus 4x is 10 more than 24, what is the value of 8x? So this is cool. I think it should be like this: 16 plus 4x is equal, right? Is equal to 10 more than 14. In other words, 10 plus 14. So this would be 24, and then this would be 16 plus 4x. All right, so now I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides, and I get 4x equals 8. Now it says, what's 8x? Well, 4x equals 8. I could solve for x and plug it in. Yeah, let's just do that. Or I could just multiply by 2, but we'll just do this. So I divide both sides by 4, and I get x equals 2. But they want to know what's 8x. Well, 8x is equal to 8 times the value of x, which is 2, which is 16.